Okay, so this is a storage tank. The pump, Arduino every, okay, the relay, and then we have the sensor here. So we have the pump here, also inside pump to pump the water out, and then when the water gets to a lower level, or certain level, the pump gonna trigger, and then it's gonna add, and then it's gonna stop, so maintaining the same level. So I'm gonna press the red button here to empty the tank. Like that, and then it starts pumping. The switch is on there for a few seconds. I'm gonna pump again. Okay, and then it's pumping here, water inside. I'm gonna reduce again. Okay, the water now is finished, but then you can see how it maintains the same level of water.